What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to Vlog Week, which is 7 days, 7 videos, and 7 different giveaways. And today we are unboxing a completely free mystery box that is going to be given away to you. Every single pair in here is being given away on Whatnot once again on December 17th at 4 p.m. Eastern. So if you guys remember the stream we did last time, we gave away $30,000 worth of shoes. This time, I don't even know how much it is, and we're gonna unbox and find out how much it is as we go. For this mystery box, I'm calling in some help from some of my different friends that are YouTubers. I got Kai Somar, Tony Tuwad, gonna help me unbox one of these boxes, but we're gonna get started here in the warehouse and opening these up. We have so many giveaways coming. Don't miss out on it. Subscribe to the channel, and let's go ahead and hop into it. All right, so we're in a new spot filming. If you guys don't know, this is our podcast setup. If you haven't checked that out, Friends and Family Podcast, link down below. We put out 3 episodes so far, so go ahead and check that out. But let's open this up again. I have no idea what the value is of any of these boxes here. So I'm basically, dude, I had a price in mind that I thought that they would send, probably like 10K. But from this box already, Nick, we're gonna be mad again. There's our Friends and Family Travis box already.
I was already wondering what that pink was.
And I'm mad because this is for, and I'm not mad that it's for you guys. I'm mad, I'm jealous that because I want this. I'm selfish and I want this. And this is a size 11, which it looks like it could be. We're gonna be so mad. Size 10.5, Friends and Family, Travis Scott, Nike SBs. These giveaways, we literally gave away $20,000 Air Mags last time. Shout out to the guy who won them. Crazy. Every single pair in here is given away on December 17th. So this is gonna be super exciting. Oh my gosh, guys, come on. I'm jealous already, and I said that again because I'm double jealous. Special box Chunky Dunkies. This is another one that is crazy. So each pair is being individually given away. So not like one person's getting all of them. We're also gonna be doing $1 auctions on the live. We're gonna be doing a lot of fun stuff. You guys know I've gone live on there a few times. But basically, we go on there, you guys join the live, and you have to be in the live in order to enter the giveaways, and we pick the winner live right there. And then boom, I ship it all out. It's crazy. So first thing up, second thing up, Ben & Jerry's Chunky Dunky special box right here. Check these out. This looks like a size 9.5? Size 8, wow, I was off. Size 8, if you don't know, these come with the little heel scooper thing here. They come obviously with the 2 shoes. Then they also come with a little bag. This is like a tote bag. It says Ben & Jerry's on it. So this right here, I think those are in the range of like $1,500 to $2,000. And these I think are about the same. So super, oh man. Any of these shoes, that's gonna be a perfect Christmas, end of the year thing for you guys to get. We'll try to ship them out super quick. Let's keep moving. So we have like 5 boxes in here to start. Dude, this is heaters to start. Para Air Force Ones. I always get Para and Pata confused, but Para Air Force Ones. I almost had it right. Air Max ones. These are really cool. It's kind of like an Olympic. Was this made for the Olympics? The Para's right there. Pretty sweet. Size 7. So we're gonna have some variation in sizing. 10.5, 8, and I'm already running out of room. 2 pairs. And let's keep going. We got a couple more in here, some Jordan 1s. Are they putting all the heaters in the first box, or are we just gonna keep going and going? That's what's crazy. Size 10.5, Jordan 1. Ooh, these are the Storm Blue Jordan 1s. There's not many Jordan 1s that I want right now, and these are one. I really like this blue, perfect for Braves colorway. Shout out the Braves, and yeah, this is cool. I really like these. The quality seems pretty decent. Not amazing, but pretty decent, and that white and blue really hits. So that's a great one. All right, so we got 2 more in this box, all wrapped up and nice. Let's pull these out, make some room here. Yep. Looks like we got a Sean Witherspoon Air Max 97 1 in a size 7. I thought it was a dunk for a second. Great pair right there. Check those out. Air Max 97 1s. We actually got these in another video. It's funny, we got these for a long time. We haven't had them for a minute, but now we got 2 in this whole week. So those are going for like $900, $800 brand new, maybe even more. And then for this one, a Coke. We got the Kobe's right here, baby. The Kobe Grinches. This is gonna be an important part of this Whatnot Live with the Kobe Grinches for Christmas. This is gonna be awesome. Super excited that we have these in. This is about to be fun. This next one is super heavy. I think I need some help from my friends Kais and Tony to go ahead and unbox this. So let's go ahead, head over to them, actually right now in live time, and go get some help to unbox this. Let's go. All right, guys, I just met up with Tony and Kais. We're over at Soul Play right now. They're gonna be the ones that get to unbox this last box, or there's another box after this, but this is gonna be for them to unbox, just them. Are you guys ready? And we're giving every pair away, so that's the best part.
I thought it was for us.
Nope, every pair's gonna get away on Whatnot.
So he's using us to do his job.
Okay, yeah, we'll give it away. Let's get it.
Typical Harrison Nevel.
Let's get it.
Open it up. All right, here we go.
Here we go. Oh, let me open the dunk box because you guys know I'm a dunk guy.
It's an SB box.
Here we go.
Whoa.
What do we think it is? Any guesses?
I didn't do that, right?
No, you didn't.
I'm not gonna look at the label. I'm gonna think it's P-rods. What
farted?
the P-rods? Oh, close. I feel like I was close. These are the Grateful Deads. No, I'm just kidding. I know they're not Grateful Dead. What are these? These are the Coblots?
This is the food thing or something food,
I
right?
don't know what they are,
Is
bro.
it the food one? That's the one about the food.
We're the worst people to do this right now.
You're not an SB guy.
It's the food thing, like the underground or something about the food, all the different stuff.
Yeah.
Chops.
Yeah, these are pretty fire. It's kind of got that what the theme to it. He's over here shopping. Ooh, okay.
Mochas?
The mochas with, you see the
With
little
the glitter.
glisten on there?
Ooh, glitter, glitter, glitter.
Okay,
Yes.
Brand new.
Brand new,
New,
size 10, guys.
Oh, that's my size. I'm gonna have to tune into the whatnot.
Another-
All right, a Jordan 1.
Guys will know these.
You think so? You know what it is?
No, I'm saying you'll know what Jordan wants.
Yeah.
You don't know SBs.
I don't know SBs, yeah, but I'm gonna try to make a prediction.
old box.
UNC. Ooh, shattered backboard
Are
1.0.
they brand new?
Dead stock.
Oh, those are your
bro.
size too.
Is it size 10? Oh, I'm definitely tuning into the whatnot, bro. I'm trying to win these, bro.
Ooh.
Ooh, mommy.
Saw these yesterday, Knicks. This Knicks pair.
That's a Nick special.
Knicks special, the Nike Dunk.
Those have gone up. Those are like $800, $700, $800 now.
This one, I think this might be the banger of the box. All right, we
Yeah.
got two Travises though.
You go at the same time? Same time?
You think they're both Air Maxes?
No, same time? Well,
Yeah, we can do the same time.
Three,
Three,
two,
two,
one.
one. Oh, tissue paper. Oh, that's the friends and family, and I got the
Oh.
OG.
Sneaker of the year?
the one that
Nah,
you threw away
definitely.
quick.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
threw that away.
Harrison
Harrison got them out of here quick.
This one is the more expensive one, the more limited one.
The more
This
hype
is the one that
you
came
just gotta
out.
ruin it. Always about hype.
I'm just
and
letting them know. I'm
expensive.
trying to
You
inform
always-
them.
Woo!
Ooh,
How much were they?
1400. That's how much.
Bro,
they
I
were.
did not
And
know
I'll
they were
tag
that
and then
much.
like delete out here
Yeah.
so you can see that.
1430 was the. This is size 9. This one's a little bit big, size 13. So big feet people tune into the whatnot.
Yeah, we have a bunch of different sizes. That's the great thing. We have like from 7 to up to 13. If you guys had to pick one shoe, what's your favorite shoe out of the bunch?
Shattered backboard easily, bro.
pretty good.
Easily.
Out of the bunch, yeah, shattered. I go shattered.
I feel like this is a grail to a lot of sneakerheads because it's probably one of the best quality Jordan 1s. And the fact that it's dead stock, I don't even know when's the last time I saw a dead stock pair. So yeah, this has definitely got to be the one.
So all these pairs, including the additional ones that I'm about to go back and unbox, they're all for free, given away on Whatnot. So you guys can be at the stream?
I'll definitely
Yes,
be in the
I
stream
will.
because I need to double up on these.
I'll come support, man.
December 17th, live stream coming soon. A lot of fire that's been added to the table. Shout out Kais and Tony for that. And now, last thing, we have a smaller box here that we're gonna be unboxing that I think is the last of it. I'm not sure exactly what's in here, obviously. Whatnot came out and brought an amazing giveaway once again. So it looks like here we have 2 more pairs and a couple of Whatnot items right here. Check this out, let's pull it out. 2 more. We have, nice, the Carolina Blues, University Blues, whatever you want to call them. Lots of fire Jordan 1s. And then we have a dunk. Last one, Nike Dunk Low, Universal Gold. This is a new one actually, the Arizona State colorway. Huh, I haven't even seen those. Got some nice little Whatnot characters here. Check that out. So again, make sure you guys go December 17th. We are doing a live stream at 4 p.m. Eastern. I will be there. Nick will most likely be there. And we did this last time. We had, I think, the 2nd or 3rd biggest stream on Whatnot. We need you guys to come and run it up again, completely free. Everybody received their shoes completely free. We paid for shipping and everything. Whatnot's been fun. I went on there and I sold a couple pairs of my shoes as well. So check out the platform and go ahead and use the link in the description down below to download Whatnot. Make sure you guys use my link. We will see you guys on December 17th and I cannot wait to give these pairs away. Let's go. I will see you guys tomorrow on the last day of vlog week. This has been fun. Maybe we're gonna extend it. I don't know yet. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like down below. I'll see you guys next time. This is Harrison signing out.